Richard Marr and his wife Minna started producing handmade papier-mâché nativity figurines in the kitchen of their home in Steinach, Germany, in 1900. The tradition of using papier-mâché to make figurines dates back to the middle of the 19th century. The specific recipes of each manufacturer are well-kept secrets today as they were in the past. And in the tradition of secret recipes, Richard Marr developed his own papier-mâché mass and named it MAROLIN. MAROLIN was known as the porcelain of papier-mâché. Some of the main ingredients in this recipe start with clay and paper fibers. The other ingredients are proprietary. Any figurines larger than 4.5 inches are made with a liquid version of the MAROLIN. This process is called pouring, which results in the figurine having a hollow body. The plaster mold soaks up the liquid and leaves a thin layer of papier-mâché on the inside of each mold. Any leftover liquid can be poured out, and after about 6 hours, the forms can be opened up. A raw figurine with the consistency of hard leather is removed. Once the figurines are dried in a special oven, the flange is ground off. Accessory pieces, such as arms and legs, made out of pressed solid mass papier-mâché, are put on to complete each figurine. The smaller parts, as well as any figurines less than 4.5 inches, are fabricated with a process called the pressed technique. The MAROLIN mass dough is pressed into 2-piece molds, which are supported by skeleton wires. Both pieces of the mold are pressed together very tightly. The small pieces are plucked out of the mold and placed in an oven for 10 days at a temperature of 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Skilled hands complete the process by combining extra pieces, as well as to grind, smooth, or sand any uneven texture on the outside of each figurine. In addition, gifted painters breathe life and expression into each figurine. Lastly, a coating of patina is carefully placed on each figure, which gives depth and warmth to each handmade masterpiece. Even now, this traditional manufacturing process of MAROLIN is being used and retained at the Richard Marr Company. For 120 years, MAROLIN figurines have been sought after by collectors and art lovers around the world as the most expressive and beautiful art figures in this genre.